This frame rail gets sectioned in right about here. You still have to buy the frame rail as a complete unit. I have a Scion TC here. This one took a hit right in this left front corner right here, and it crushed this frame rail right in here. Luckily, they actually have a sectioning procedure where this frame rail gets sectioned in right about here. You still have to buy the frame rail as a complete unit, but Toyota offers that sectioning procedure to make it a lot easier repair. So it will get cut. I'll have to measure it out on this rail right in here somewhere. And then it also gets a few of these new brackets as well, right here, and this side plate. So I'm gonna make a quick pull, roughly pull the damage out, and then I'll start cutting this one apart. So this frame rail gets sectioned. They have a measurement 80 millimeters back from the edge right here, which I already marked it. So I'm gonna lay out some tape and I'm gonna make my cut. So I went ahead and got our measuring system out and I matched it to the vehicle, and I'm measuring the front here now to make sure this is sitting exactly where we want it. Also going to go ahead and check this side, and it looks like this is measuring out perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my seam welded up, get that welded up, then I'll start fitting my other parts, these two pieces on. And I have this plate sitting on there just to make sure it fits correctly. So, but I'll get the seam welded, then I'll start fitting the rest of that together. So I went ahead and I fit up the headlights because there's a bracket the headlight sits on right here. I want to make sure it was sitting exactly where it's supposed to be sitting. But my headlight gaps look nice and even side to side. So I'm going to get that bracket welded on, and this one will be just about wrapped up.